Hi guys, this is another outreach video that we'll be adding on as an extension to the existing outreach flow that we have. So what I've just built that I need to integrate into the main flow that we have, it is a WhatsApp outreach automation. So all of these phone numbers that we have here, we are sending over to a WhatsApp sending API. So Airtable is watching anytime we find a new phone number. Then we have a text message that we're sending. So it will say, hi, first name, and it will pull in the data that we've scraped from LinkedIn. It will say, I saw that you're using our competitor on website, and it will automatically input their website, removing HTTP. So it's the clean site, and then it's delivering our offer. I've just sent out a quick test. The one thing about this is it only delivers to people who have WhatsApp. Obviously, because we're sending over WhatsApp, so maybe 50% of these phone numbers don't have WhatsApp, and we could integrate them into a automated calling API, or I was even thinking about like a voicemail leaving system. But I don't know how many people really listen to voicemail anymore. Or we could do an automated texting system, which isn't a bad idea at all. But anyway, yeah, so we transform this into a JSON request, and then the phone number. As you can see here, we have phone numbers from all different locations and all different formats. And obviously, I don't really want to go through hundreds of phone numbers and format them. So we're sending over to API layer, which automatically validates that it's a real phone number, and it prefixes it with the country code. So okay, here it's returning not valid phone number. Let's go a real example. Okay, yeah, valid phone number. So automatically, like we've sent over in, I'm not sure what format it was originally, but it's registered that it's a valid phone number, and it knows it's a UK phone number, so it's automatically prefixed with GB, and it's returning us the plain number without brackets and dashes. And then we have a clean phone number, and then we just send over to make a request data phone number data string that we generated earlier. And once it sends successfully, we then update it in Airtable, so we know not to send them another message. Although we could integrate like a follow-up campaign a few days later, or something like that. So we can take it, we can run it quickly here. We're going to process 80 phone numbers. Every time it's processed, it gets removed from this flow. We've only processed 2. Process 80. Let's try that. Okay, now it's working. So you can see every time this processes, it means a new WhatsApp message is being sent out. Now, for some reason, these are automatically archived in my WhatsApp, but I just did a test on my girlfriend, and it is being delivered to her messages. I thought it could be because of spam, but they are being delivered correctly. So I'm just looking at my phone now and seeing the messages going through. So we're getting like a 30% hit rate, roughly. And about 60% opened. 2 haven't responded, 1 has responded, so I've just acquired a new, sorry, I don't think that's going to show correctly. But yeah, So this is just quite an interesting solution for sending WhatsApp messages, and obviously it does get very high open rates. So I'm going to integrate this into the main flow. And there's another service here. How do I close this? I think I've closed it. They offer an API for automatic calling, but I've closed it. But it starts at like $1,000 per month. So it may be better to actually, for example, you could hire like 3 sales agents just working for you full time, um, to do that instead of outsourcing it. And then, but it's just interesting that you can send it via an API to a call center and they handle all the cold calling for you. But maybe it is better to manage a team internally. Anyway, yeah, that is how I'm sending automated messages via an API, and you can integrate something similar into your outreach flows.